Welcome to Empty Kids.
Hi guys, this is Ajay Kristen here and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to make blueberry cheesecake, which is one of my favorite ones. The needed ingredients are blueberry, heavy cream, butter, biscuits, cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla essence, gelatin and sugar. First we have to put the biscuits into a jar and blend it. Now I have blended the biscuits, so I am going to pour the melted butter in it. And again I am going to blend it. Now the powdered biscuit is ready. Now I am going to place it on the spring foam tray. Now I am going to press it tightly. Now I am going to make blueberry mixture. To make this I am going to add 300 grams of blueberry, 1 spoon of lemon juice and 1 spoon of sugar syrup. Now I am going to boil it in low-medium heat. I think the blueberry mixture is ready. Now I am going to put it on rest and blend it. In a bowl I am going to put cream cheese 500 grams and some powdered sugar. Now I am going to beat this with the beater. Now I am going to add heavy whipped cream. Now I am going to add vanilla essence. Now the berries are dry. Now I am going to pour it into the jar to blend it. Now I am going to blend it. To make this, I am going to add gelatin and now I am going to add 50 ml of cold water. And I am going to stir it. Now I am going to let it bloom for 10 to 15 minutes. Now I am going to beat the batter again.
Now I'm going to pour the mixture into the batter. Now I'm going to mix it with the spatula. Melt the bloomed gelatin in the microwave oven for 10 seconds. Take a spoon of batter and mix it into the gelatin. Now I'm going to pour the mixture of batter and gelatin into the main batter. Now I'm going to place it in the pan which I have already kept it in the fridge. Our cake is almost ready, just the top layer is pending. Pour 200 grams of blueberry. Pour sugar and 70 ml of normal water. Now I am going to heat it and make it like this. To make this, I am going to add gelatin, and now I am going to add 50 ml of cold water. And I am going to stir it. Now the mixture is ready. Now I am going to blend it, and now I am going to pour the gelatin into the mixture. And mix it well. And pour the mixture on top of the cake. And do like this to spread. Wow! It looks awesome, guys. And tada! This is what it looks like after a day. Yummy!